Welcome back once again to my channel. It's you girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovely, like you can tell from the title. Yeah, your baby's on holiday. We are here in Torevieja, Alicante, Spain, and I'm so happy to take you guys on the boat cruise. And yeah, so let's go. So just take a look at this beautiful city, Torevieja, like really beautiful. And yeah, so the weather amazing, like, so we are entering the boat, me walking majestically, and that was the only man on board. He came with his wife, or the wife came with the husband, and they are from Italy. Really beautiful couple, friendly couple. So we move, and yeah, so you see the doves, like I just love them. And this is the interior of the boat, really beautiful. Like we're all taking pictures and having fun, like the ones doing their TikTok was on TikTok and all of that. Like really amazing view, really beautiful. I was so happy, you know, when you have a nice weather and with amazing people, like, you know, your day is blessed. So these are some of the ladies as well, really beautiful. My sister Faith, really beautiful people, amazing, you know. So I didn't really know all of these people except 3 of them, so the rest we just met ourselves there, and they were already friends to my girlfriend, you know. And really beautiful people, you know. You must not cope with everybody, but at least we all have a good time. That was the most important thing. And yeah, so really beautiful. Look at the landscape, look at the seascape. Oh my goodness. So this is the lady from Italy who came with a husband, like amazing beautiful soul. And you will see Auntie Blessing, like, oh my god, she's supposed to be a professional dancer, but she's a chef cook. Like, oh my god, she literally prepared everything we'll be eating later. And she lived in this beautiful city of Torevieja with her husband as well, and her husband will be coming with some of his friends, but they are not coming on the boat, so they will be on yes, so they are coming. And yeah, so they will be doing their grilling stuff there, because actually it was only for ladies, you know. But the sister from Italy, but the lady from Italy came with her husband, and yeah, so he's allowed since they are from far distance, and our husband decided to come with her, you know. You just have to have some understanding a bit. And yes, so that's Auntie Blessing's husband, the one with the white hat, and his friends there, and they will be doing their grilling there as well. And they will also be sending some of the grill stuff and beef to us. And yeah, so really beautiful. We have an amazing time, like amazing. And yeah, so you can see the beautiful dancer. Oh my goodness, like she can dance for the world. And look at me, I can't even dance. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my goodness, you know, I'm trying to dance, but not really working out, getting old. And oh my god, what am I doing there? That's funny. Whatever. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? I think when I go to dancing competition, I will be the first to be sent back home. Oh my god, look at, I tell you guys, she's supposed to be a professional dancer. You guys haven't really seen her dancing. Like, oh my god, I saw this lady dancing over, I think about 10 years ago, when I was invited to my girlfriend's wedding. Like, ever since, this is the second time I'm seeing her after the wedding of our friend, and oh my god, she never changed. Like, she's still that beautiful dancer. Really amazing. You know, there are some things that people would do that would just, you know, stick on your brain, and you will never forget that moment and the way that person acted. And about Sister Blessing was just a dance, you know. And now that we went to Torevieja, our cooking is, oh my goodness, like, she's the best cook. You know, she is literally the best cook. I know I can't really do that, so she's the best cook. So she did all this, and amazing. Like, you guys need to taste this food. Like, yummy, 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 lekker, like lekker. We really had fun. Fried rice, jollof, beef, chicken, and all of that. Like, really amazing. Good time, good time. Look at us eating. You know, you just have a whole lot to eat that you don't really feel like eating. Me and chicken. Is this chicken or turkey? This is turkey. Like, I love turkey. And this is Vivian. Like, she's so full of energy, positive energy. Oh my god, she knows how to party. Like, it's like she's born with it, and so good at it, warm at it. Really beautiful soul as well. And we have Sister Lovett from Paris, France. Like, beautiful lady, a mother of two. And this is Sister Bridget as well, from the Ascot of Berlin. And this was also my very first time of seeing her, and amazing. So we literally met at the airport, you know, we flew together. And yes, so beautiful people. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is me with my turkey. And yeah, so the husband of the lady that came from Italy is so calm. Like, he literally sat there watching all of us and just making sure everything is okay. Like, oh my god, this is the calmest person I've ever seen. Like, really beautiful, and we really had fun. And yeah, so
don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got. So I change it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. I don't appreciate.
when we were making Proust and all of that, and really fun. You can see the highlight, the sunshine of the day is always Vivian, because she loved life. Like, you know, she loved to party, she loved, you know, enjoyment. She's supposed to be called enjoyment woman. Like, really beautiful. And yeah, so I just kind of watched them drinking, and I'm the recorder of the day, you know, doing my hobby, what I know how to do best apart from shopping. And yeah, so this is when they finished the grill and they're about to send some of the grills to us and some of the beef and all of that to us. Like really beautiful, amazing. And yeah, you can see the beef, like, oh my god. But you know, I couldn't really eat this beef because I was so overwhelmed. I was so happy because I just kind of love this feeling on the boat and sea. But I mean, I can't swim, but you know, just kind of relax and you know, think of what next. And yeah, so
go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let.
and yeah, really beautiful. I love this dress from Massimo Dutti. I got this dress actually on sales and this was 100% silk. Like really beautiful. I love silk. Like beautiful, mind blowing.
Telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot.
So the next day, the next day we went to this beautiful restaurant and really beautiful with this amazing beautiful view. Like, oh my god, just watch the view. Whoa, the view. Oh my goodness, watch me catwalk. Watch me do my lazy catwalk. Really beautiful view. And yes, so
sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. Appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me.
paella. This is my paella, like really yummy. Like I can't wait to go back and eat this food. Like I really love this food. You guys know I love seafood. And yeah, so after eating, you know, taking fresh air, and yeah, so the next day, so we are at the airport, and yeah, so we're saying bye to Alicante.